Chembur at a restaurant named Spice Laundry, which is just 5 minutes away from Chembur station. और ये जगह perfect है अगर आप vegetarian हो या जैन हो and आपको कोई fancy place पे जाना है जाके interiors अच्छे हैं. There's a rooftop also here and उन्होंने menu में काफ़ी unique सी dishes रखी हैं. So today we are gonna go and explore all of that. Let's go. This restaurant has two dining areas. One is the AC section which has a classy vibe. It has games and books to read. Upstairs is a rooftop which is my favorite area. Here they have a floral theme and I love this wall art that is made of vintage books. They also have a bar over here where you can enjoy mocktails. I had a yummy sea lemonade here. So this is a multi-cuisine restaurant and we have ordered a bunch of things and मैंने जैसे बोला कि यहाँ पे बहुत unique and innovative, creative तरीके से मेन्यू बनाया गया है. आप देख सकते हो there are missile shots here. तो missile पाव है with shots and there is this naan ball inside their stuffing. So ऐसे काफ़ी unique and creative सी चीज़ें हैं. Even the mocktails are very fancy as you can see. So it's a place where you can come, and have a nice time, celebrate a nice occasion or something and enjoy their yummy food. In terms of food, I tried and loved the sushi, dim sums, naan balls and surprisingly watermelon feta salad which was really good. And in mocktails, sea lemonade is still my favorite. So that was my time at Spice Laundry जो कि है चेंबूर में. It's a perfect place if you're coming here with your family, your friends, with your girls or even for a sweet date. So it's a beautiful place. I'm leaving all the details in the description box. Subscribe for more such videos and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.